Hi, kumusta? By the way, if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, guys, we are going to do an unboxing of MACKIE CR3-X monitor speakers, which is the updated and upgraded version of CR3. And I bought this for about $111 only. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump in to unboxing.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane.
So now, guys, it's time to connect the monitor speakers to my laptop. Okay, I'll show you guys. So simply just connect the wire from our active speakers to a passive speaker using the wire included to the package. So obviously red to red, black to black, same as here. And for now, because we are going to connect the speaker to a laptop, I am now going to use the RCA cable. So from here, directly to your laptop. Okay, so first, of course, the power cord. Let's plug it in here for us to have a power, and switch on the power button. Okay, and lastly, we have to turn it on clockwise. You see, guys, here's a light here, a white light. Just set it to minimum. Okay, let's play. you for watching, guys. See you all to my next video. Cheers.